The copy and paste function is a widely used function that you don't need to manually enable as it's already there. You can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, or you can right-click your mouse and select the options. Sometimes, this feature might not work and copying and pasting text does nothing. Without it, you would not be able to copy large amounts of text onto another location unless you manually type it, which can be frustrating. This video explores 6 reasons why your computer won't copy and paste. The clipboard history saves the most recent items that you have copied, including images. There might be problems with the clipboard history, preventing new items from being copied and pasted. A large clipboard history that hasn't been cleared for a while can cause problems with copying and pasting. Clearing the clipboard will often resolve this issue and get copy and paste working again. Other applications or processes that are running in the background can interfere with your computer's ability to copy and paste. If you can copy and paste in safe mode, it's clear that something in your operating system is preventing your copying and pasting from working properly. To resolve this issue, try booting the computer in safe mode. Safe mode only loads the necessary files required for your computer to boot, preventing these problems from happening. Try uninstalling any recently added software if your copying and pasting is working in safe mode. Viruses and malware can corrupt or disable the clipboard, interfering with your computer's ability to copy and paste. Ensure that you have an active antivirus installed and up to date on your computer in case a virus or malware infection is causing problems with your clipboard. You should run a full scan and after it has finished, remove any malware that it finds. Operating system updates are required to help keep a computer protected from security vulnerabilities and access the latest features. They can also fix bugs, such as the clipboard not working. Using an outdated operating system can lead to unexpected issues, such as copying and pasting not working. Try installing the latest updates for your operating systems, and then see if your computer can copy and paste. Corrupt operating system files and outdated drivers can lead to errors, such as the clipboard not properly working. If there are problems with a device driver, you should download and install the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. If you have tried all the tips in this video and your computer still won't copy and paste, there might be problems with your keyboard or mouse. A faulty keyboard or mouse might not allow you to copy and paste correctly. To resolve this issue, try using a different keyboard and mouse. If that resolves the issue, then it's clear that there was a problem with your keyboard or mouse. To be sure that it is the keyboard or mouse, you can try using it on a different computer. If that causes the computer to not be able to copy and paste, then the keyboard or mouse is faulty. If you liked this video and want to learn more about IT terminology and concepts, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to receive notifications whenever a new video is posted on our channel, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.